these in the kitchen with David, and they were so popular, and I'm so happy that they're in the show right now because they are so cool and they are so versatile. Everyone needs a set of these 2 refrigerator acrylic bins.
Yeah. For
$23.80 and 5 easy payments of $4.76. Tonight you're saving $6 off of that original QVC price that was over $29. This is the first day that you've seen these this low. So hurry, hurry while we still have our colors available. So Lisa has it in the red.
Yep.
What other colors do we have?
Colors,
we have them back here. I can just show you right here and now. We also have it in the blue and the gray.
Love.
And you're getting 2 of them. So there's that.
Yeah, I just love these because look, it's a lifelong journey to get organized.
Oh, for sure.
Yes. You
Definitely.
try and then it gets unorganized again.
Always.
But this is not only for the refrigerator, like any area in your home, under the sink, on the countertop, in a kid's room, whatever it is you need. I love the silicone inserts right there with the beautiful pattern. Literally, you can throw these on the top rack of your dishwasher to wash it.
Perfect.
Helper handles on the side here. Nice depth. You know, we did this before a few years ago, and it was much shallower.
Yeah.
I'm going to say this wrong. Much more shallow.
Much more shallow.
Or shallow, or shallower.
Much more shallow.
I'm not an English teacher.
We don't know.
No, we don't know. But
no.
Nobody's helping us either. They're hanging us out there.
Yeah.
But here's what I love. We did the embossing of the pattern. So if you lay this in here and you put fruit in there, it actually keeps your fruit up off of the silicone, gives it some aeration.
Perfect.
Which is amazing. And I love the fact that they stack, but you're going to use them all the time.
Oh,
so
definitely.
Right?
Absolutely. I mean, think about like the kids' fruit juice boxes.
I love this idea.
Perfection. I think this is so smart and really fun for the kids too to have their own little something in the fridge as well to pull that out. But right next to it right here, David brought this up in the show, which cracked me up. This holds 44 K-cups.
Well, my gosh. Well, that's a week. Is that a week? That's about a week, right?
For us here, that's about a week.
What time is it? Yeah, that's a week for us.
Absolutely.
I love it.
But so much more than just like your food and your drink. I mean, look at what we've done with our vitamins and supplements here.
And because you can see through the sides, right? I see everything, every side that's in here. That's the beauty of that acrylic. And it's really strong too. Ooh, look at this one. Okay, we're hungry. We shouldn't look at that one. I love this, Steve.
Yes.
This is like, I'm always trying to organize under the sink.
Oh, definitely.
This is fabulous. And again, see-through.
And especially like, you know, if you want to take a certain amount of cleaning products to the bathroom or another part of the house and you're just sort of like just kind of palming a whole bunch of stuff, this is a great way for you just to do that in a convenient way.
I love that. And then just those little pieces that you have, like maybe your cocktail napkins, your, you know, kind of your throwaway pieces.
Totally.
And then you're organized and you're not rebuying. My biggest pet peeve is I rebuy stuff because I'm not organized.
Oh, you know what? So do I. And this one for me is the kind of the game changer of it all because I don't love to have a bunch of my products out on my bathroom counter.
Sure.
And I'm not going to lie, I have a ton of hair products. And so this would be a really easy way for me just to pull this right out on top of the counter and then do my hair and then put this all back under the counter. Nice and easy. Remember, you're getting 2 of these for this amazing sale price of $23.80 and 5 easy payments of $4.76. Again, we have not ever seen these this low before. And you're saving $6 off of that original price that was over $29. So you certainly want to pick up a couple of these and watch how many different ways you're going to want to use them. An amazing 2 set of refrigerator. We call them a refrigerator acrylic bins, but you don't have to put them in the refrigerator.
No. Wherever you want.
I love them. They're so cool.
Makeup, I love for makeup too.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Lots of different ways. Great. All right, so let's come take a look at this platter back here because this has been very, very special. This one